Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that often raises a lot of questions and anxiety for MBA applicants: essays in MBA admissions. How much do they really matter? We're going to explore this together and uncover why essays are such a critical part of your application. Let's start with the basics. Why are essays so important? Well, think of them as your chance to shine beyond the numbers. While your GMAT score and work experience tell one story, your essays reveal the real you, your unique experiences, perspectives, and goals. This is your opportunity to differentiate yourself from the competition and show the admissions committee why you're a perfect fit for their program. Essays also allow you to highlight something that's often overlooked in other parts of the application: your soft skills. Whether it's your ability to communicate effectively, solve complex problems, or demonstrate leadership, essays give you the platform to showcase these vital qualities. Remember, MBA programs are not just looking for high performers, they're looking for future leaders. So, what exactly is an MBA essay? It's more than just a written statement, it's your personal narrative where you bring your resume to life. This is where you get to explain why you're passionate about your chosen field, how your experiences have shaped your goals, and why you believe the specific MBA program is the right place for you to achieve them. Essays serve multiple roles in the admissions process. They allow you to showcase your personality, your values, and your alignment with the program's culture. They're also a test of your communication skills. How well you express yourself can be just as important as what you're saying. And finally, essays are your chance to convey your passion and motivation, which can make a lasting impression on the admissions committee. Now, what are the admissions committees really looking for? Fit is crucial. They want to see how your background, goals, and values align with their program. Creativity is also a big plus. Can you think outside the box and bring fresh perspectives to the table? And of course, clarity and authenticity are key. Your essay needs to be well structured, clear, and most importantly, it needs to reflect the real you. So, how do you write an effective MBA essay? First, reflect on your strengths, weaknesses, and accomplishments. Demonstrate self awareness by acknowledging your limitations and discussing how you've worked to overcome them. Focus on personal experiences that have shaped who you are today and be specific. Use detailed examples to back up your claims. And finally, clearly articulate your career goals and explain how the MBA program will help you achieve them. Let's not forget that essays are just one part of the puzzle. Along with your GMAT or GRE scores, work experience, academic record, and recommendations, your essays play a crucial role in telling your complete story. But it's the combination of all these components that creates the full picture of who you are as a candidate. To wrap it up, a strong MBA essay is authentic, clear, and reflective. It has a genuine voice that represents your personality and experiences. It clearly articulates your goals and how the MBA will help you achieve them. And it's filled with specific examples that make your story come to life. Remember, admissions committees are looking for authenticity. So let your true self shine through. Essays in MBA admissions might seem daunting, but they're your best chance to stand out and tell your unique story. So take the time to reflect, write from the heart, and show the admissions committee why you belong in their program. And if you have any questions or need further guidance, we're here to help. Let's make your MBA journey a successful one.